Hi, this is my intro video for Module 1 for AEP 800. Hello, I am Andrew McKenna. This is, let me go back. This is our McKenna crew. You can see there is a lot of us. It's about 4-year-old picture, so they're a little bigger now, but we have a combined crew of 6 children, 5 girls and 1 boy. His and hers, he had 3 and I had 3. We are a very busy family between sporting activities and school and, work and everything else. I am currently a 4th grade teacher in the Wichita School District at Beach Elementary. I've been there now for 3 years. Before that, I was a special education para within the district as well. And before that, I used to work at Heartspring as a home coordinator. We worked with students that ranged from 5 to 21. I had 8 students in my home, 16 staff, and 2 additional night staff. And it was a lot of fun. I learned a lot in special education. And next year, I am actually going to be an interrelated teacher in our school. And I'm looking forward to that since we had a retiring teacher, and it's kind of one of my passions, and I thought it would be a good experience before moving on from there. Critical reflection. Technology. I loved this quote. Technology should be at the point of instruction and be as accessible in learning as a pencil. It shouldn't be an event. How many pencil labs do you have in your school? Actually, I thought that was really cool. It should be accessible. Unfortunately, because of budgeting issues, it tends to not be as accessible. In our school, we currently have about 1 computer cart for every 2 classrooms. We became a title school. This is our first year, and we have been able to get a few more things in our school, and I know 2 more computer carts are being added, and I know that there is a push to hopefully even get some more technology for next year. So it really needs to be a priority in schools. That's a life skill at this point, is having the children learn how to use technology. In my classroom currently, I use the smartboard every day in my document camera. It actually went bust on me about a week ago when I had a sub. There were some students apparently messing with my document camera, which is my godsend because I teach math. So we use it every day, and that was, I had to get real creative because I didn't have that available for a couple of days. We also use laptops. My students use them daily. We do a program called Dreambox. I do have a lot of experience also with assistive technology for SPED, using iPads for communication, some special keyboards that were used for students who had issues with being able to write with a pencil or a pen, some different things like that. That's about the extent of my experience. I always joke that I'm actually technically challenged. So technology, I love it, but it kind of scares me. The plan is to increase opportunities for learning using technology. I am currently the head of AVID in our school, and that is also going to be a big push next year. They have added some different things that we're going to need to start doing to remain AVID certified, and intentional instruction in technology is going to be one of them, which I love. I love because currently, my kids are great about getting on, playing games, this and that, but we do research projects every year, twice a year, one for state, one for multicultural, and the kids really kind of stink when it comes to how to use it as a tool for research. They're also not the best at typing. We've started typing.com this year, and there has been big improvements, but these are lifelong skills. How do they use it for research? How do they use it to type a paper? So that's going to be a big push, especially going forward. And also there are grants for technology. So I know that being Title I, there's things that we're looking into. There's things we can get, but I recently talked with another teacher, and we've talked about there is a grant to get Chromebooks, and I know my children at their school use them in middle school, and then they use the Apple computers in high school, and it's fabulous for organization and everything. Everything is right there at their fingertips. They don't have to deal with textbooks. Everything, all their books and everything is online. So I think it's just something that we really need to even get younger students used to. The impact, well, there's a lot of implications. School funding being limited is one of them. Yes, we do have some Title I funds, but what can we use them for and what can't we use them for, I'm not completely sure. I know that we can get some technology, but how much and what for? Those are some questions that would need answered. Also, special education funds. That's something I'm definitely going to be checking into, since I will next year be special education. So maybe that's a way that I could get those students more access to technology. And of course, there's always grants that we could check into. Yes, it can be time consuming, but it's worth it in the end. So that's just my current overview of technology in schools and what I'm familiar with and what I have a bit of a fear of. But I think that overall schools need more access, because that is where these students are going to be in the future, is using solely technology. There's not going to be a lot of pencil paper business going on, period. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.